Welcome. In front of me is a KENXINDA V6, and today I'll show you how to put the device into recovery mode. So to get started, you want to power off the device by holding the power key and selecting power off. Now once the device shuts off, you then want to hold power key and volume up. And we're now in the recovery mode. So from here you can use volume keys to navigate like so, and power key will be used to confirm your selection. As you can see, you can reboot system, reboot to bootloader, apply updates, wipe data, wipe cache partition, mount systems, view logs, run some tests, power off the device. So as an example, I'm just going to reboot the device and go back to the Android so I can leave this mode. So once you have the option selected, all you need to do is press power key and the device is now rebooting. And as you can see, we're back in the Android system. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.